Removing Vivint Doorbell Camera. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove Vivint Doorbell Camera. So let's get started. First, you need some tools to remove it. The tools are T5 screwdriver, mini and flathead screwdrivers, wire cutters and drill. So the number one step is turning the power off. For that, you have to check the wired systems at the home circuit breaker or by unplugging the transformer. Second step is you have to locate the T5 security screw. It will be found at the bottom of doorbell camera. Then unscrew the security screw with a T5 screwdriver to detach the camera from the back plate. Now pull the camera away from the wall, being careful not to yank the wires connected to the doorbell. Now disconnect the wires from the back plate. Now pull the wires through the holes in the back plate and you are all done. That's how you will be able to remove Vivint Doorbell camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.